Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To introduce myself, I'm Pelangi Anggel from class T4A Information Technology Study Program, Brawijaya University. So I will start my presentation with the theme of authentication and access control that I choose. What is authentication? The process of verifying a user's identity before system access. Authentication ensure that the user accessing the system is actually authorized party. This process is usually done by requesting credentials such as username and password, or by additional methods such as OTP, digital identity card, or biometric. Without proper authentication, the system is vulnerable to unauthorized access and metadata. So next, authentication methods. There is some authentication method. First, some things example like password, pins, security answer. And then the risk is weak, reused, or stolen. And the second is something you have, example like ID card, tokens, or mobile device. And then the risk is lost or stolen. And the last one is something you are, example like fingerprint, face, retina, or biometrics. And then the risk is privacy concerns. Authentication methods, there's some single factor authentication or SFA, one method only, like password. And then the second is two-factor authentication or 2FA. Example like password, one-time code or OTP. And the last one is multi-factor authentication or MFA, combination of two or more types like biometrics, token, and password. Next, common authentication flow. First is user submits credential. And the second is system verifies the credential against stored data. And then the third, if valid, the user is authenticated. And the last one is access control rules, then determine permissions. So next, what is access control? The access control is mechanism and policies that determine what actions users can perform once authenticated. And then the purpose is restrict access to sensitive resource, and for the principle of these privilege. So next, about core elements access control. And there is some core elements to access control. First is subject, the user or system requesting access. And then the second is object, means the resource being accessed, like file, service, and trends. And the third is action, operation, attempt, or like read, write, execute. And the last one is police, rules governing access decisions. So access control models. First, dictionary access control or DAC. Resource owners determine access, example like a file permission in Windows or Linux. And then mandatory access control and MAC, access determined by system enforced police, example like military classification levels. And then the role-based access control or RBAC, permission based on user roles, admin, employee, and comment in corporate environments. And then the last one is attribute-based access control or ABAC. Decision based on attributes like location, time, role, and device type. So this is example of real-world implementation. PAC, file permission on personal computers. The second, MAC, government or military system with the classified labels. RBAC or ERP system with different user roles. And then ABAC cloud platform restricting access based on device or location. So I will demo the program listing recording about authentication and access control. Okay, I will demonstrate the coding listing program that I make. There is some file in the folder RBAC PHP, and then the admin PHP, index PHP, login PHP, logout PHP, sessions PHP, and then user PHP. Because I use a PHP language, first I will open admin PHP. There is include session PHP in here, and then the check access for admin, just admin, and then this is a header, okay, just admin, and then this part is just admin can see that I wrote, and admin PHP connect with index PHP. So I will open user PHP. Then this is also include the session PHP here, and then the check access just for user, and then this heading that I work take just for user, and then this part is welcome to user page. This is how a page look like for when user click the page, and then the user PHP also connect with index PHP. Okay, so I'll open the session PHP. This is session PHP, access for user PHP, and then index PHP. And then I will open index PHP. So this is heading that I wrote. This is welcome to cybersecurity class. And then the part is for username, and then name access. And then this is spec look like when admin or user log in URL. And then this is admin page, and then user page that admin or user can choose. And then this is here the logout PHP and login PHP for page. And then this is login PHP look like here. Users can log by admin users and Pelangi. That's myself. For example, and then this is a password for admin, password for user, password for me, and then um, I'm access for user, not admin, and then this when this error or uh, ju- this is login file message look like, and then I will go to logout PHP. So logout PHP also connect with index PHP. Okay. And so this is how it looks. First, I will log in as admin. In the password is admin 123. So in. So if I click on this part, then the result is access denied. The result will be like this. Because I'm not a user, then I'm back to admin page. Oh, jangan sekecil itu. Oh iya ya, tuh di mana tuh? User page. Access data. When I go back to admin page, so this is the page admin look like just admin can see this. And back, log out. Next, I will enter as myself. In. So here the result and login is for user. So I have to click the user page. Then the page just for user, welcome to user page. Then when I'm back and then I try to to click admin page and then this is the result. Assessment yet because I'm not admin. Ini ada dotnya nggak? Ada dotnya. Well, that's all my question. I choose chapter 6 because I think I can understand it better after watching the videos shared by my lecturer. So here for lecture understanding. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di aku terlalu